Hey Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what this is a portable power station. If you can see it from this brand right here, and then this is basically what the product looks like. So we turn it to this side right here. You can definitely see how she labels each different part on here. But I want you to open up the product first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can definitely see that is basically what the product looks right here. So first thing, if you see right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product. And then right underneath that, we do have the actual product. And there is an accessory box. So let's take that one out first. So they do have the brand logo right here. And when we open up, you can definitely see that they do have a cable inside. So you can see right here, they provide you guys a bunch of different cables on here. So here is the car adapter cable. So if you guys want to use this cable in the car, you can definitely use that option on here. And then right here, we do have the cable for you guys to actually plug it in to recharge it. And that is basically everything in this box right here. When we take out the actual product, this is basically actually looks right here. So you see we do have the brand logo right here. We have the AC plug outlet right here. DC input and output right here. USB-C option. And then right here, we do have the DC 12 volt. So I open up. That's what it actually looks like inside. And then basically on top right here, we do have some buttons. So there's a power button, a light button. I'm assuming this is a brightness button. And there's a charge option right here probably. And in the middle part right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys the battery life. So if I bring it up close, this actually looks right here. So if we turn it on this side here, you can definitely see the light right here. So if we turn it on, you can definitely see the light on here is actually super bright. So if I shine it back here, you can definitely see how bright it is compared to without it. If you guys need to turn it off, just press it down and that turns it off. If you can see it on the other side right here, it looks like there's another light as well. So I'm assuming you can use this button right here. So let's press it down. Alright, so that's another light option right here if you guys want to use that option. And this one's pretty bright as well. But the other one this side is definitely much brighter. If you guys press this button right here, let's see what happens. Alright, so that basically turns off the product. If you guys press it again, that turns it on. So our battery right now is halfway full. It's not fully charged yet. So you do need to fully charge it. If you guys press on this button right here, that basically activates the AC switch right here. So if you guys want to use that option, you can definitely turn it on. But when you guys are not using it, you definitely want to turn it off. And you see right here, they do have an indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off as well. And also for the power right here, if you guys want to get one of their solar generators, you can definitely get that as well. So that way you actually plug it in here and just solar charge it, which is definitely super useful when you guys are going camping or something. And then for the top part right here, they do have a handle option. So if I need to carry around, you can definitely do that on here. And also what's really cool about this part right here is the fact that on the top part right here, they do give you guys a wireless charging option. So I actually test it out to see when it actually works. So in order for you guys to use the wireless charging option, you need to press this button right here. And once you guys turn it on, you guys can start using it. So if I put my phone on here, yeah, you see it definitely does work. And basically on the bottom right here, you can see they do have the non-slip material as well. So once you guys put this on a table or a flat surface, it won't move around. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me just put this down and actually test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So we got the product right here. It's not fully charged yet, but I do want to actually test it out to actually see how it works and when it actually works. So I do have this power bank right here that works as a wall charger from the Anker brand. So I plug it in right here. You guys can see how it's not charging right here. And the reason why is because we didn't turn it on yet. So I press this button right here. That should activate it. And now you can see it is charging. So definitely push this button right here in order for you guys to use this outlet right here. The next cable I'm plugging is the USB-C right here. I want to use that to charge my power bank that we got right here. Alright, so that is charging as well. Let me actually test out some of these right here. So I'm going to plug this one in right here. If I want to try to charge my phone, that definitely does work. If you want to try these other ones, those should work as well. Alright, so definitely see that all three of those definitely does work. And obviously, if you guys want to use the wireless charging option and these at the same time, you definitely can. Now let's test out this option right here. So basically for the test for this option right here, I'm going to use my car interior light strip that we have right here. I want to flip this side so you can see when it actually turns on. So we push the button. You guys can see how it lights up right here. And it's actually really bright as well because we have like the music mode on. So if you guys want to use all these outlets at the same time, you definitely can. If you guys want to use a small DC input and output, you definitely can as well. And then if you guys want to turn the two lights on the side, you definitely can do that as well. And then obviously if you guys want to use the handle part right here, you can definitely open it like this and carry it around if you guys need to. So that way the product is super compact and portable. So if you guys want to use it for like camping or if you guys want to do stuff outdoor, you can definitely bring this along. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. If you can see, it definitely works really well. Alright, so we got the product all plugged in right here. If you can see, it is charging. So right now it's almost 3 out of 4 bars. So it will take a while for it to fully charge since it is 8000 mAh. But definitely see that it is charging right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice and quick test, I definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. So you see, you definitely have the option on here to use everything at the same time. So the AC outlet, the DC outlet, the DC input and output, the USB output, and also the USB-C option as well. And obviously, if you guys want to use like the flashlight and the wireless charging option, you can definitely do all of that on here as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality portable power station that has everything that's on here. That I would definitely have to say that this is super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that they do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.